Here's your First Alert 5 weather with Alan Rose.
And welcome back, everyone. Things beginning to get a little more exciting as we make our way into the late afternoon and evening hours. Tracking an upper level low moving out of Utah. It's going to dive a little south of us. That's going to help to destabilize the atmosphere and bring in some easterly winds. That's an upslope flow, and that tends to bring the plains better amounts of snowfall, which really need because it's been such a dry season so far. You can see some of the heavier snow beginning to pile up here south of Highway 50. Also the mountain areas expecting to see quite a bit through tomorrow morning. Let's take a look at the live radar network. You can see some heavier snow bands between Rye and Aguilar. Also some heavy snow out towards La Veta, where we could see as much as 10 inches of snow pile up by the time tomorrow morning rolls around. A little bit of a wider vantage point. Also looking at that snowfall right here across parts of Crowley and Kiowa counties and down south towards eastern Los Animas and Baca counties. Those areas actually under winter storm warnings. The southeast plains could see as much as 5 to 9 inches of snow. The wet mountains, wet mountain valleys could see quite a bit as well. Now across the Pikes Peak region down south into Pueblo County, amounts here ranging between maybe an inch or 2 all the way up to 5. And for La Junta out east towards Lamar could see as much as 3 to 6 inches. And the main winter weather impacts other than snow are going to be wind. We get a front that moves through tonight. That's going to bring gusts 30, 35, 40 miles per hour. So we'll say medium impacts there. Snow will be moderate to high, just depending upon your location. Cold, well, that's going to be the case for everyone. So we're going high there. And visibility, medium to high as well as we get the snow and blowing snow. Again, heaviest and most intense precipitation along and south of Highway 50. Right now in the Springs, looks dry for the most part as of last check, but it's cold, 22 degrees, and we really never warmed out of the middle 20s today. Pueblo beginning to see some of those snowflakes fly. It's 28 outside. Monument looks a little snowy. Just heard a report from our producer Anna that it's snowing up in Castle Rock this afternoon as well, just on the other side of the Palmer Divide. 33 right now, La Junta with just a few snow flurries, but that snow expected to pick up in intensity and become much more widespread here over the next few hours as this weather system works its way south and east. Now the wind picks up on the side of the low, the north side of the low, and there will be some rather strong wind gusts late tonight into very early Sunday morning, and then staying windy across the southeast plains through much of the day. As for snow, I expect it to pick up here for most areas within the next couple of hours. I think by around 7, 8 o'clock, most of us are seeing the snowflakes flying, and that's going to continue through late tonight and into tomorrow morning. But notice by the pre-dawn hours, it's going to clear out from north to south. So by 5, most of it's gone except the southeast plains. And then by around 7, 8, 9 o'clock, I think the snow clears out. But because of the snow on the ground, your highs tomorrow are going to be very cold. Many areas not going to get above the freezing mark. So here's a look at the entire News 5 viewing area. Again, highest amounts to the south. Springfield 6 to 9 possible. Walsenburg and Trinidad 4 to 8. Pueblo 2 to 5. Canyon City 1 to 3. Zooming into the Pikes Peak region, I think most of us here between 1 and 4. Higher amounts up towards Woodland Park, the Air Force Academy and Briargate. Maybe lesser amounts in the downtown area and out towards say Manitou. Overnight lows tonight, very cold. Temperatures down to the teens and single digits. And there's a look at those chilly daytime highs on Sunday. It is a roller coaster ride temperature wise. We have another system that comes in Monday night into Tuesday morning. I think it's a quick hitter and not expecting much of the way of impacts and just very little accumulation. Pueblo will be in the mid 30s on Sunday, 40s Monday, back down to the 30s on Tuesday. So you see it's an up and down forecast. Temperature wise, Canyon City, we might see that snow a little bit earlier on Monday, late afternoon to evening, continuing into early Tuesday morning. And for Woodland Park, dry and cold Sunday, but more snow potentially heading into Monday and Tuesday morning.